In this video, we're going to know about I have and I've got. You can say I have or I've got, he has or he's got. I have, we have, you have, they have, he has, she has, it has. I've got, you've got, we've got, they've got, he's got, she's got, it's got. Let me give you a few examples. I have blue eyes, or I've got blue eyes. Tom has two sisters. Tom has got two sisters. Our car has four doors, or our car is four doors. Sarah isn't feeling well. She has a headache, or she got a headache. They like animals. They have horse, 3 dogs, and 6 cats, or they've got a horse. I don't, I haven't got, etc. Negative. You can say I don't, you don't have, we don't have, they don't have, he doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have, or I haven't got, you haven't got, we haven't got, they haven't got, he hasn't got, she hasn't got, it hasn't got. Now, I'm going to give you a few examples. I don't have a car, or I haven't got a car. They don't have any children, or they haven't got any children. It's a nice house, but it doesn't have a garden. It hasn't got a garden. All right? Amy doesn't have a job at the moment, or Amy hasn't got a job. You can say, do I have? Do you have? Do we have? Do they have? Does he have? Does she have? Does it have? Have I got? Have you got? Have we got? Have they got? Have she got? Has she got? Has he got? Has it got? Let me give you a few examples. Do you have a camera? No, I don't. Have you got a camera? No, I haven't. Does Helen have a car? Yes, she does. Or has Helen got a car? Yes, she does. What car? What kind of a car does she have? Or has she got? How many children do they have? You can also say, how many children have they got? Okay, so it's enough for today. I'll meet you tomorrow. Did you understand anything?